Welcome. This video is a comprehensive guide to navigating your job or internship search from start to finish. Before we dive in, I want to start with one important reminder. Your job or internship search is your own. It can be helpful to talk to peers, share experiences, and learn from others. But this process is personal and non-linear. Some parts of this video may resonate with where you are right now, and others may become more relevant later. Try not to compare yourself negatively to others. Everyone's timeline, priorities, and opportunities are different. This video combines both the process and the tools you need to navigate your search effectively in a way that is intentional, manageable, and repeatable. Let's take an overview of the process. The job or internship search follows a general pathway. Research yourself, research opportunities, narrow your focus, tailor your materials, apply, interview, and follow up, and reflect, repeat, and celebrate the process. This is not a one-time process, it's a loop. You may move through it multiple times, and that's completely normal. The first and most important step is researching yourself. This means identifying what we call your VIPs. We need to see your values, what matters to you, what motivates you, your interests, what industries, roles, or problems excite you, your personality, how do you like to work, and what environments suit you, and finally, your strengths. What skills and experiences do you bring to an organization? Take some time to write these down. This is a crucial step because it creates a filter for everything else that comes next. There are endless possibilities associated with any major. Without filters, the search becomes overwhelming. With filters, the process becomes intentional. Keep in mind, your values and interests will change over time. What mattered to you years ago may not matter to you now, and what matters now may evolve after graduation. The goal is to build a habit of checking in with yourself, so you are always grounded in where you are at this stage of life. If you want support in this step, meeting with a counselor may be especially helpful. In addition to your VIPs, consider logistical factors, such as location preferences, whether or not you want to stay local or explore somewhere new, remote or in-person work, paid versus unpaid roles, full-time versus part-time, and academic credit requirements. If you are seeking academic credit, make sure to consult your department early to understand the requirements and deadlines. These factors further refine your filter and help you focus on roles that truly fit your situation. Once you understand yourself and constraints, you can begin researching opportunities. There are 3 primary strategies for discovering jobs and internships. Strategy 1. Job boards. Job boards are the most visible and commonly used approach. These are platforms where employers explicitly post positions and provide a direct application process. It is helpful to think about job boards from most specific to most general. Start with department-specific job boards. These are highly targeted. Employers posting here are intentionally seeking students from your major and university, which is a strong signal of interest. Next, try Mustang Jobs. Mustang Jobs uses information from the registrar, such as your major and student status, to surface roles aligned with your background. It also filters out many mid-career positions that you may not qualify for and allows you to apply filters and save searches. Then, industry-specific job boards. These allow you to stay within a particular field while exploring your options. After that, LinkedIn Jobs. LinkedIn tracks your searches and saved roles to recommend relevant positions. Saved searches and alerts reduce the need for constant manual checking. And finally, general job boards, such as Indeed, Monster, Idealist, Onet, ZipRecruiter, or Google Jobs. Across all job boards, filters and saved searches are essential. They dramatically reduce overwhelm and help automate part of the process. Strategy 2. Company-specific searching. The second strategy is targeting specific companies. Start with companies you already know, brands you use, organizations connected to your hobbies, and companies you interact with regularly. Familiarity leads to enthusiasm, and enthusiasm shows up clearly in interviews. If you don't yet have companies in mind, use tools to discover them. One tool is the Graduate Status Report, your GSR. This shows which employers hire graduates from your university and major. Employers who consistently hire from the same institution understand the value of that education and are more likely to hire again. Employers have shared that graduates from hands-on programs often reach productivity significantly faster, which saves companies time and money. This gives you a real advantage. LinkedIn company pages are also valuable. Review open roles, explore similar or affiliated companies, or identify industries or organizations you may not have considered before. Strategy 3. People and networking. The third and often most powerful strategy is leveraging people. A large percentage of roles are obtained through networking, but networking does not have to mean formal events or mixers. Networking can include peers, faculty, college counselors, academic advisors, previous supervisors, alumni, coaches, family friends, and even casual connections. You never know who knows whom. Importantly, networking is not about asking for a job. It's about asking for information, like advice, insights, role clarity, and referrals to other people. For example, I realize I'm interested in this field. Do you know anyone I could talk to? How did you get started in the industry? And what would you recommend I explore next? Alumni tools. Two especially powerful tools are alumni-focused platforms. One is the LinkedIn Alumni tool. Filter alumni by major, industry, or role, see where they started and how they progressed, and identify realistic entry points and internship pathways. Cal Poly Career Connections is another great platform. Alumni have opted in to support students. There's a higher response rate than cold outreach, and built-in message templates lower the barrier to outreach. These platforms make informational interviews easier and more effective. Step 4. Tailor your materials. Once you narrow down specific opportunities, it's time to tailor your materials. First, your resume. Think of the job description as a checklist. Your resume should demonstrate that you meet as many listed requirements as possible. Different roles, even within the same major, require different resumes. Cover letter. Your cover letter should be written for a specific company. Generic cover letters lose all value. Employers skim quickly, and if they can't tell in the first paragraph the letter is written for them, they will stop reading. And your online presence. Ensure your professional presence is aligned and intentional. On LinkedIn, portfolios or project sites, or other platforms that should be free of content that should raise concerns. This step takes time, which is why filtering earlier in the process is so important. For more information on cover letters and resumes, be sure to check out our other videos, link in the description. Step 5. Apply, interview, and follow up. After applying, track applications carefully. Send thank you notes within 24 to 48 hours after interviews. You can find a thank you note guide in the Cal Poly Career Services website. Respect employer timelines, which may range from weeks to months. A job search record or spreadsheet may help you track where you applied, follow-ups, interviews, and outcomes. This organization prevents missed opportunities and reduces mental load. Step 6. Rejection, resilience, and repeat. Rejection is a normal part of the process. Even when a role turns out not to be a good fit, it is okay to feel disappointed. What matters is recognizing rejection as part of the cycle, and not a personal failure. When ready, return to the process and continue refining. Celebrate the process. Celebrate every small win. Updating your resume, creating job board filters, reaching out to one alum, or clarifying your values. These are all real accomplishments. Progress fuels momentum. Cal Poly Career Services offers workshops, events, career advising support, which includes drop-ins and appointments, and Cal Poly Career Connections, a network of 10,000 plus alumni here to support you. In closing, the job or internship search is a process, not a race. By understanding yourself, using the right tools, leveraging people, and staying intentional, you position yourself for opportunities that truly align. Thank you for watching, and best of luck as you navigate your search.